Hey guys, welcome to Fiore Cooks channel, where I'll be showing you how to make easy, speedy and delicious recipes. For my first ever video, I'll be showing you how to make sweet chili chicken stir fry. All the ingredients and measurement will be listed in the description box below. Please ensure to check it out. If you haven't subscribed already, please do like, comment and share. To know how to make this dish, please keep watching. First, you need 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Alternatively, you can use flour. Mix in salt and black pepper. Now mix the seasoning and cornstarch together and grab your diced chicken thigh and coat it into the cornstarch mix. Now add your preferred oil into the pan. Once the oil is hot, add your coated diced chicken and cook until both sides of the chicken is golden brown. On a medium heat, lightly fry your onions. Once the onions have softened, add your bell peppers and cook for a further 2 minutes. Then add your minced or powdered garlic and stir that in and let it cook for 3 minutes. Now add your fried chicken to the dish and stir and cook for a further 5 minutes. Then add your ginger powder, or alternatively you can use fresh ginger. Add 1 chicken stock cube and 5 tablespoons of water to the dish and stir. Now add chili flakes for some heat. Add your sweet chili sauce, or alternatively you can use honey. And finally, add your green beans and stir all together. This is the final result, and this dish is absolutely delicious and can be served with rice or noodles. I would like to thank you very much for watching, and I hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notification for alerts on my new uploads.